Pieter Groenewald and his son Stephan Greef, they've made a brief appearance at the Groblersdal Magistrate's Court this morning. The pair are facing a charge of attempted murder after allegedly assaulting a security officer and setting a dog on him in Limpopo. Let's touch base now with Newzroom Afrika's Mweli Masilela, who joins us live from Groblersdal. Mweli, good morning to you. Let's start with what is expected at court today, and it does sound like there is a number of people who've turned up in court.
Yes, indeed, Cole, if you can look just behind me, there's quite a number of supporters of the economic freedom fighters as well as supporters of the African National Congress. And this is something that has been happening since the first court appearance of the two. And Cole, I think we need to attend this issue of the charge of attempted murder, because we also seek clarity on that, because on a statement that was released by the police here in Limpopo, they said this charge was changed from assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm and then taken to be attempted murder. But inside court, the issue of attempted murder hasn't arisen. And in terms of the people that I've seen today from different political parties in terms of leadership, I've seen the MEC of Health in Limpopo, Hopi Ramutsupa, as well as on the side of the economic freedom fighters, I saw Carl House also making his way into the courtroom. But in terms of what transpired inside court, we know that today we're expecting to view a video of the incident that happened in the farm here in Groblersdal. But that didn't happen because now the state has asked the court that they want to present new information in as far as this case is concerned. And of course, the defense actually saying no, they wouldn't allow that, but then there had to be that adjournment to give the defense or the state time to finish the defense with the new information, because the state says it wants to reopen this case. But let me speak to the leadership of SANCO here in this region of Sekhukhune in Limpopo, just to get some insight in terms of what is happening. I'll speak to the Secretary, Masilela. Quite a lot of activity outside court, but let's talk about the case itself. What information do you have, and are you happy with the court proceedings so far?
Yes, thank you very much. We are happy as SANCO in Sekhukhune region about the proceedings inside the court there. We have just adjourned for to 11 o'clock, waiting for the other charges that to be charged, those accused there. So Justice, let us give Section 9 a chance, and then they will do their job very well. We are very much happy as a SANCO in Sekhukhune region.
Let's talk about the small town of Groblersdal. Many people we have spoken to, they are complaining about the issue of racism. From your experience as someone who is based in this particular area, what is it that you can tell us?
Yeah, this town of Groblersdal is full of racists. Therefore, it's not the first incident that occurred of this case. There are many, one cannot count it. There are many incidents that happen here. It's full of racists. As a SANCO, we need to change this name of Groblersdal because it's full of racists. Like I said, it's not the first incident. I can count there plus minus 5 of them. It's full of racists, this town.
You are saying as SANCO, you have to change this, but how?
We need to change this name because we're in a new democracy here. This Groblersdal, it belongs to old men, so that we need to change because we're in a democracy, so that it can be named with a person who went to exile and others comrades who have fought for this country.
All right, thank you very much for talking to us, gentlemen. That's Masilela. He's the Secretary of SANCO here in the Sekhukhune region. Well, as you've heard from him, he's sharing the same sentiment as some of the community members that we have spoken to. Remember, during the previous court appearance, we had the Minister of Police as well as the Minister of Justice, Ronald Lamola, coming to court to ensure that they engage community members as well as supporters of the different political parties to say that they must allow the law to run its course so that there is calm also in this community, exactly for the same reasons, because they were concerned about the rising tensions in this particular area. So when we go back to court, we are expecting to hear in terms of what is going to happen, what is the new information. The gentleman here is speaking about new charges on the side of the accused. So we are going to hear as to what exactly are those charges and what is going to happen going forward.
Mweli Masilela, thank you very much. Live for us there outside the Groblersdal Magistrate's Court. A very tense situation indeed.